Today we're testing out the new GFX 500mm lens. This is by far the longest lens in the system. It actually doubles the previous longest prime lens. And with the new camera supporting bird detector autofocus and the latest algorithms, it seems like a perfect opportunity to test out this lens. This gives you the equivalent of something like a 398mm f4.4, something around there in terms of the equivalent in 35mm full frame. It's not that big and heavy considering its medium format. So today we're going to ask two main questions. Can you shoot birds with it, and should you?